Want to register for NFL Draft? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. The first thing you want to do is launch open the Play Store app. Now you want to search for NFL One Pass. Then go ahead and install this application on your device. Once it has been installed, launch open NFL One Pass app. Then tap on Manage Permissions. Now tap on Accept. Now you want to tap on the Register Now option. Here you will have to create a free account or sign in if you already have an account. Once inside, look for the NFL Draft Registration section. Then tap on Register Now to register for free fan activities during the 3-day event. Use the app to check maps, parking info, and full event schedule. If you cannot register through the app, you can also head over to the NFL website or sign up on site at fan services during the event. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.